Hello everyone, welcome to DDN Academy. DDN Academy, in this video important topic discuss last 6 month current affairs most important one liner all defense exams RMC Sainik School Army Public School. Let's see. First question, which airport has been declared as India first single use plastic free airport? Answer, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Second question, 90. Which state police integrate Himmat Plus app with the app ride helping company Uber in ensure safety and security public traveling? Answer is the Delhi police. Question number 180. Which country has decided to start process disinvestment in 4 states owned in commercial bank SC OB? ठीक है, why October this year? Answer is the Bangladesh. Next question, how much amount is the Asian Development Bank has approved is the funding combat is the separate novel coronavirus? Answer is the used 2 million. Next question, 182. How has announced work with the World Health Organization WHO, European Union and the peoples in the Republic of China endure in the tackle in the recent outbreak novel coronavirus? Answer is the G7 Group 7 countries. This question 183. What is the official name of the disease caused by the new coronavirus? The World Health Organization WHO. Answer is the COVID-19. Next question, where did 43 session in the Government Council of the International Fund Agriculture Development IFAD has hold? Answer is this Rome. Which country police of the retired of the artificial intelligence AI called of the Elia Force of the New Zealand? Answer is the New Zealand. How is the has been appointed finance minister of the United Kingdom? Rishi Sunak. Question number 187. Who has named of the new UK minister of the charge of the crunch in the UNE climate tax of the hottest in the Britain? Alok Sharma. Answer is the Alok Sharma. Next question 188. Who is the appointed of the next High Commissioner to India? Very Ofler. Next question, who is the one of the president election Afghanistan and we come of the president Afghanistan for second time? Ashraf Ghani. Next question, most important question, which country successful fight test in the air launched of the nuclear capable cruise missile? Answer is the Pakistan. Second question, which country government of the observed 60 national democracy? Answer is the Nepal. 192 question, who is the announced launch which earth fund? Answer, Quebec climate change. Answer, Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos. This question 193. Which country observed Shahid Divas which also now Amar Ukesh? Bangladesh. ठीक. This question 194. How is the Malaysia Prime Minister in the announced in the region of the political issues? Answer is Mahathir Mohamad. Next question, which country government formally notified United Nations of the withdrawal from UNHRC, United Nations Human Rights Council, revelation of the intelligence aligned the crimes? Answer is the friends Sri Lanka. Where second question 197, where did of the 12th edition in the South Asian in the conference held in New Delhi, country is India? Next question, most important question, where does joint seminar on theme challenge of the evolutioning threat of the facing India was held? Answer is the Air Force Station Tughlakabad, New Delhi. Answer is the Air Force Tughlakabad in New Delhi. Next question 124. Which country has the adopted in the new survey conducted by the board broadcasting third? Sri Lanka. Answer is the Sri Lanka. Next question, what is the rank India of the Global International Property IP Index? 14 rank. This rank which country? Question number 226. Become the second largest of the product in the China 1 19 by replacing Japan as the Powered Steel Association? Data India. Answer is the India. Next question. Which institute ranked third? Business of the School Ranking 2020 Provision Designing Delivery Massive Open Online Courses MOOCS. Answer is the Indian Institute Management in the Bangalore IMB. Answer is the this. Next question. Which is the third most spoken English in the world? 29,615 million. Answer is the Hindi. Second question, most important question. What is the rank of India? Economist Intelligence United EIU published worldwide educating in this feature of the index. Answer is 35. Most important question. 230. What is the rank of the India Surveillance Index? 77. Next question. 231. What is the rank of the India Flourishing Index? UN report of the Commission of the World Health WHO United Children UNICEF. Line 131. Second question. What is the rank of the India in the Horan Global Reach? Third rank. Next question. What is the appointed of the chairman CVIC? Mr. Ajit Kumar. Next question. Who is the appointed of the High Commissioner India Canada? Ajay Bisra. This question. Who is the appointed of the chairman ambassador in this Nepal? Binay Kumar. This question. 138. Appointed of the chairman, meaning of the director of the Coal India? Pramod Agrawal. Next question. 239. Who is the president of the Parmalik committee in this India? Deepa Malik. Who is the prime minister of the Iraq? Muhammad Tariq Ali. 241. Who is the prime minister of the Kosovo? Alvin Kurti. This question. 248. Who is the ambassador of the JSW? Rishabh Pant. How is the president institute chair of the accounts? Atul Kumar Gupta. Most important question. What is the theme International Mother Language Day on February 21? तो आंसर इज द लैंग्वेज विदाउट वर्ड्स. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 230. व्हेन डज वर्ल्ड एनजीओ डे सेलिब्रेटेड? February 27. Most important question. What is the theme International Science Day of the February? Answer is the Women in the Science theme. When does the World Pauline Day celebrated in the February 1520? Which of the question number 333. Which field does Dilip Kumar Twine direct recently belong to? Novelist. Recently Ravi Singh is the poet in the news of the belong to which the place? Odisha. Which field of the next question? Which field of the Jaswant Singh Conwal from the Punjab belong to writer? This question. What is the name of the Kenya longest PM died in the recently? Answer is Daniel Arap Moi. Next question. What is the field of the Dulles Creek dialogues in the died recently belong to Hollywood actor? This question. Next question. Which are the field of the Dulles Giriraj Kishore died the recently belong to Hindi novelist? ठीक है. This question. Which of the state Dutch writer of the Parmeswaram belongs to died recently? Answer is the Kerala. Next question. What field does Raju Varadhan from the Mumbai belong to? Cricket journalist. Which of the field Nadu in the died recently belongs to? Journalist. Which of the state place of the fashion designer Binder Rocket in the belongs to Goa? Next question. What is the name of the TERI chief of the died recently? PK Panchuri. Next question. Which of the sport Harry Jar in the recently belong to footballer goalkeeper? What is the name of the former Federation of India Chambers of the Commerce Industry FICCI president of the Dr. BL Dutt? Next question. Which team beat in India win to ICI Women T20 World Cup fifth team Australia. Answer is the Australia. Along with the Vikas Krishna, who became the first Indian boxer qualified Tokyo Olympics. Answer is the Pujarani. Next question. What is the rank of the India according to Knight Frank with the report? Answer is the 12. This question. Where is the wealth BIMSTEC summit going to the hold in the September? Answer is the Colombo in Sri Lanka. Country is the Sri Lanka. Next question. Which insurance company in the provide football coaching under of the provide girls under of the Bachpan Ka Rakshan group in the Tata AI life in the ensure? Next question, friend. Sixth question. Who is the joint hand in the Hyderabad metro quarry based of the Paytm? Answer is the Paytm. Next question. How is the appointed chief executive of the junior venture Mahindra Food? Answer is the Anurag. Question number 8. Most important. When will Chandrayaan 3 be launched? 2021. Next question. When did Jain Asudin Owaisi the observed 7 March? Recently, then of the Sindh appointed of the Prime Minister country is the Ukraine. Next question, friend. Who is the appointed of the Chief Information Commissioner of India? Bimal Julaka. Answer is the Bimal Julaka. 12 question. When died in the International Mobile Day celebrated March 8? Next question. Where did the Indian Coast Guard conduct 9 industry reserve of the SAREX in 20? Behold, Goa. 14 question. Who is the appointed of the chairman national platform of the disaster risk index? Amit Shah. Answer is the Amit Shah. Home Minister Amit Shah. Which of the country of the Jones Indian Ocean Commission observe of the most Indian plastic? India. Answer is the India. 16th question. Former when did government to make sanitary nap in the disaster of the bag? And answer is the January 2020. Next question. Which of the state tops in the phone ASEAN list? Answer is the Tamil Nadu. Which of the state become to first state include department in the self groups of the name department in the mission Shakti? Answer is the Odisha. This question 119. Where did third gender of the equal to summit held in the New Delhi? Answer is the New Delhi. Which country remains second largest arm important in 2019? Answer is the India. 21 question. Which state tops democratic in the solar rope in the isolation in the Gujarat? Next question. Which place ranked country in the overall implementation in the Poshan Abhiyan? So answer is the state Andhra Pradesh. Who much amount has been funding and fight against COVID-19 under COVID-19? Answer is the 125 million. Next question. Who become of the first woman promote DIG in Indian Coast Guard? Nupur. Answer is the Nupur. Answer is Nupur. Next question, very important. Who is the wins MS Swaminathan Award for year 2017-2019? Answer is the B. Parveen Rao. Next question. Where died in traditional Flagly festival of the celebrated? Answer is Himachal State. What? Next question 28. What is the rank India Inclusive Index Indian 2020 globally? 46 rank. Next question. What is the GDP growth project India is the modified word? 5.3%. Next question. Who is the sign of the contact for 2-year Puma and ambassador? Kareena Kapoor. Next question, 31 question. What is the name mobile app launched in the Andhra Pradesh government control electoral implicit? Answer is Nigha. This next question. To whom of the do Mukesh Ambani lose Asia wealth Jack Ma? Answer is the Jack Ma. Who is the died whole Molha festival celebrated in the Punjab? Next question. What will be the national slogan Bangladesh? Joya Bengal. Next question. What is the rank of Indian Trade International Arms in the Transfer 2020 SIPRI? Rank is 23rd. Next question. Where will the International Day of Yoga celebrated? Leh or Ladakh? Answer is the Leh Ladakh. What is the position of the India most promoting in the sphere of the deep technology? KPMGC 20 rank in the second. Question number 38. Where did Divya Kala Shakti witness in the ambitions in the decided in the event held in the China? Answer is the China. Second question. Who named of the greatest world leader? BBC poll. Answer is the Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Second question 40. How is the name of the BBC Indian sportsman year? PV Sindhu. Next question. Which of the airport that adjust in the airport ASQ arrival of the Kempegowda Airport? Answer is the Kempegowda Airport. Next question. Who is become the brand ambassador Andhra Pradesh government anti-graft helpline? PV Sindhu. Answer is the PV Sindhu. Which of the state launch of mission Vigram? Answer is the Telangana. Next question. When does World Kidney Day celebrated? March 12. Answer is the March 12. Recently, Santu Mukherjee Prasad Abe belongs to the which language of Bengali? Next question. Which government launched Namaste over of the handshake campaign of the present COVID-19? Answer is the Karnataka. Most important question. Which of the railway station of the reward in the world class station? Delhi. New Delhi railway station. Answer is the New Delhi. How is the much of the percentage DA increased of the central government? 4%. Answer is the 4%. What is the name of the application launched Facebook Women Entrepreneurship of the India? Pragati. Answer is the Pragati. Next question, friends. Which of the team clinched Ranji Trophy of the taking first inning of the against Bengal? Answer Saurashtra. Answer Saurashtra. Next question. Which of the bank influenced 7250 crore in the funding influence of the bank's stake of the remains under 49%? Answer is the SBI. Answer is the SBI. Next question. Recently, Dana Jatakova is new belongs to which profession? Javelin thrower. Answer is the javelin thrower. This answer. Next question. When does World Sleep Day observed? March 13. Next question. Which the bank removes minimum balance charge of the saving bank? Answer is the SBI account. What is the rank India Global Animal Protection Index? And India rank the second. Next question. Where did technology innovation hub establishment IIT Mandi? Next question. Where did Lok Sabha Speaker in the Om Birla Lunch Summit Ma Abhiyan State Kota in the Rajasthan? Question number 81. Whose was the conference Dr. Syam Prasad Mukherjee Award 2020 Politics? Answer is the Chief Minister Assam. Name Sarvananda Sonewal. Next question 82. Which state reduced government employee returning age 60 years of the 50 years? State of Punjab. Next question. When World Wildlife Day of the celebrate 3rd March? Next question. Who sworn in the PM of the Malaysia? Answer is Mahadan Yashan. 82 question. Which topped in this KU games of the invited? Chandigarh. Answer is the Chandigarh. Who is the owner of the Mexican Open the 20 championship? Rafael Nadal. Answer 87 question. Indian Coast Guard ICGS board in the beauty of the whom? Answer is Larsen in Tubro. This question. Next question. Which country recently test fund project in this Trident missile to head in the range about 240 kilometers and the highest in the 35 kilometers? Answer is the North Korea. Next question. When National Security Day observed? 4 March. Next question. How is the conference National Lalit Kala Kadambini Award? President Ramnath Kovind. Next question. Where is the 61st annual award of the Lalit Kala Academy in the New Delhi? Next question. where will the Indian Param 2020 Indian Medical Device Conference exhibited in the winning state the Gujarat. 93 question. What is the theme? India Param 2020 Indian Medical Device in the conference in New Delhi. Next question. Who is the among following has appointed as a new Indian ambassador Turkey? Sanjay Kumar Panda. Answer is Sanjay Kumar Panda. Who is the son in the Chief Information Commissioner Bimal Julaka? Next question. Who is the organized the women entrepreneur नीति आयोग प्लेटफॉर्म कौन करता है? नीति आयोग. What is the theme of the fourth global Ayurveda festival GAF Ayurveda Medical Tourism Authority Indian celebrity? Next question. How is the organized 20 Internet Conference Nanoscience is the Technology SN boss of the National Center Basic Science? Most important question, friends. Where is the World International Conference Nanoscience and Technology and the Bengaluru? Next question. Where does series beginning of the International Conference in India? Chapter in the Kut Festival and the celebrated state of the Mizoram. Next question. 4 in the financial year 28-29 EPF provide in this rate of the interest. Answer is the 6.85%. Okay. Next question. Which book claims in the 25 innovation are invites taken of the state direct level under Prime Minister flagship scheme Beti Bachao Beti Padhao? Answer is the chronicle change of the champions. This question list. Kobita used a tape in this which city? Kolkata. Next question. What is the growth projection in the India finance year FY20 Fitch of the? Answer is the 4.9%. Next question. Who is the appointed of CEO Nokia? Answer is the Pekka Landmark. 120. Recently, Balveer Singh Kullar in the new belongs to sport hockey. Answer is the hockey. When does Zero Democracy Day celebrated on theme Zero Democracy in the youngest women and girls? Answer is the 1st March. Second question, friend. Which of the city host 120 years Science Congress theme of the science technology suitable the development women empowerment? So answer is the Pune state. Next question. What is the rank of India trade related effect financial globally? Answer is the 3rd. Next question. Recently, UNB Farrell Sally and MC Narman Beans of the Pythagoras Architecture Prize 2020 belong to which country? Ireland. Answer is the friend Ireland. Next question. Who is the named of the Finance Secretary, Finance Minister Ajay Bhushan Pandey? Question number 134. When does National Safety Day celebrated 4 March, friend? Next question. What is the name of the mobile app launched government despite died Humsafar? Answer is the Humsafar. Next question. Where the 68 All India Police Dolly Champions of the Bengal is the Haryana? Which state of the Haryana? Next question. Which of the railway announced the 5% if we reach re-evaluate Western? Answer is the Western. ठीक है. Which of the minister of the into LLP settlement scheme of the 2020 allowed time conduct delay of the filling required of the document Rao minister in the crop affair? Answer the 139. Question number 139. Recently Giants son of the prime minister of which country? Answer is Slovenia. This answer is the Slovenia. How is the result of the RBI deputy governor NS Viswanathan. Question number 141. Which city hosts 2023 International Olympic Cities of the Session? Answer is the country is Mumbai, state city of the Mumbai. Country is India, city of the Mumbai, state of Maharashtra. How is the next question? 142. How is the much of the withdrawal limit of the money from the bank of the government order? Answer is the 50,000. Next question. 143. What is the name of the mobile app launched SEBI of the investor of the scores? Next question, friend. Question number 207. Which of the social media platform launched in the coronavirus information have donated 1 million? Answer is the WhatsApp. Answer is the WhatsApp. Next question. To which of the RBI X and authorities of the work limited of the Vital ATM? Answer is the 2021. Which of the banks? Next question. Which of the banks of the tried access insurance of the injured COVID-19? DVS Bank. Answer is the second. Who is the length of the special train? Sadbhavna Express, New Interface, SIDIT. Answer is. Next question. Which of the state government announced a month free food grains of the poor? State is the Uttar Pradesh. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. What is the term of the Prime Minister the Modi or the people of the India of the endures March 2020 amid coronavirus? Janta curfew. Name is the Janta curfew. When of the water in the observed in the global year? March 2020. March 20. Sorry. Question number 2220. What is the theme of the 2020 World Meteorological Day? Climate and water. Next question. 2020 UN climate change will be hosted in which country? London. Next question. What is the theme of the 2020 World Water Day? World Water Climate Change. Next question. 223. What was the India ranked in the recently released World Happiness Index? 144. Next question number 24. When does the World Property Day observed? March 21. Next question. Which of the country Food and the Drug Administration approved a rapid a point of the care test coronavirus? USA. Answer is the USA. 26 question. How is the much of the RBI additional maintenance financial study COVID-19 outbreak? Answer is the 30 crore. 227 question. Who the diplomats afford in the COVID-19 ITI Delhi? Question. Recently Kenya Rigors in the belongs to the profession singer. Question number 254. Who has been appointed lead 21 member high level technology committee health expert in to tackle coronavirus? India. Dr. VK Pallu. ठीक है. Question number 255. Who is the among British who is the British royal family? It is positive coronavirus. Prince Charles. Question number next. How much does the Sri Lanka coronavirus SARS corona 5 million? Who is the honored of the IFTC Tourism Impact Award 2020 held in the Mumbai, Maharashtra? Joya Akhtar. Answer is the Joya Akhtar. How is the appointed of the CEO Belmart in India? Sameer Agrawal. Answer is the Sameer Agrawal. FIFA passed in this message kick of the coronavirus campaign combat coronavirus published in this how many languages? 13. He is the corona launch in the COVID-19 smartphone. That's the tech individual smartphone relax in this community state coronavirus in India. Answer is the India. Which of the question number 261. India of the footballer has been selected of the party FIFA in the pause of the kick coronavirus campaigning the coronavirus? Sunil Chhetri. Answer is the Sunil Chhetri. Next question. Which of the committee recommendation is the scheme RRV? Dr. KC Chakravarti. Question number 263. Which of the organized had launched in the tracker policy response of the different government combat? Answer is the IMF. Answer is the IMF. Which of the following has the banned production in the mud during 21 lockdown in the imposed country? The answer is the Uttar Pradesh. Most important question. As per RBI new guidance for a Paytm agreed PA, what are the minimum worth required for the it is the up PA earlier 100 crore? Answer is the 15 crore. Answer is the 15 crore. This answer. Question number 336. Who is the written book invincible in the turbid Manohar Parikar? Tarun Vijay. Answer is the Tarun Vijay. How much of the amount RBI going in influence through open of the market OMO in mention in quality banking system March? Answer is the 10,000 crore. Question number 338. The Finance Commission has the put 8 members Finance Committee revive of the finance in the consolate road map of the center government. Name of the person held. Nandan Kishore Singh. Name answer is the Nandan Kishore Singh. Question number next. Name of the person how the authored book of the Miss Modi is this great. Answer is the Talvan Singh. Question number next of the name of the first Indian launch of the COVID-19 self of the assessment in the help of the and identify symptoms of the risk in the novel by the novel coronavirus state in the Goa. Next question. Name of the coronavirus risk the tracking the launch of the COVID-19 Corona Kavach. Next question. What is the total member of the district of the Tamil Nadu? Or the edition new format by the Mali Mudrati. Answer is the 38. Question number 344. Which of the give of the name in the mini village Abhimanyupur and Mahabharat a warrior Arjun's son in thus Abhimanyu in Haryana. Next question. Who is the lead the Super League in this trophy of the record? TKC FC. Thank you friend and the video, and please like and comment, share, subscribe this channel. Thank you for listening, for watching this lecture, and next part available soon.